Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel we talk about makeup, skin and hair. Today's video is gonna be sweet and short. We're just gonna do a face mask with green tea and some other natural ingredients. If you're new here, hi, I'm Tsp Robertson. I make videos every Monday and Thursday. Now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Green tea supports new cell growth and gives you soft and nourished skin. It helps maintaining your collagen levels and helps in firmness of the skin. And the honey in this mask helps retain the moisture in the skin without making it too greasy and oily. And yogurt is such a common ingredient in all these DIY face masks. It's super hydrating and it's also anti-inflammatory. The yogurt helps reduce the puffiness under the eyes, and the lactic acid in the yogurt also helps with the dark circles. So make sure you get some under your eyes. And Multani Mitti, that's also called Fuller's Earth, has a exfoliating effect on the skin. It removes excess dirt from your skin as well. Multani Mitti has powerful anti-aging properties. It really helps reduce the wrinkles on the face. So apply it thoroughly on your face and your neck and then let it sit for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. I also did another green tea DIY face sheet mask. I'll put the link somewhere up here so you can go check it out too. That's really good for dry skin, that one. So I feel like I've applied the mask thoroughly on my face. Now I'll let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm going to wash it off. So I washed off the mask and my skin feels so hydrated. Let me know in the comments below if you do try out this mask, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.